Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the Upstream O2 sensor in this 2007 Mini Cooper S. If there's any parts you need for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Alright, to disconnect this O2 sensor, we're going to grab this connector. There's a little lock tab on the connector. Just push down on the lock, wiggle the connector out. That's where you push down, just like that. Set that aside. Next I'm going to slide the connector out of the bracket. I'm just going to use a straight screwdriver. Slide it sideways, push it out. Underneath here, there's just a clip holding the wire on. Just slide it past the clip. You can pull the connector out. And then we're gonna pull the wires out of these clips on the valve cover. Next I'm gonna use a O2 sensor socket. This is a 7/8 or a 22 millimeter socket. It's got a slot in it so that the wire doesn't get in your way. Slide that on with a breaker bar. I'm going to loosen it up. Once it's broken free, generally it's pretty easy to do it by hand. And pull it out. We're going to reuse this O2 sensor. There's nothing wrong with it. We just wanted to make a video and show you how to do it. We're going to, before we reinstall this, we're going to use a little bit of copper anti-seize. Just go on the threads. If you're replacing it, generally the new O2 sensor has anti-seize on it. You want to make sure you do not use anything silicone based because it will destroy the O2 sensor. We'll slide it back in the hole. And we'll take our O2 sensor socket and breaker bar. And we don't want to tighten it too much, just snug. And that's good. Reposition the wires to the valve cover. Lock those in place. And there's normally a tab right here that would lock into there, but this one's broken. Slide this down into position. Lock it underneath the tab down below. And then we're going to slide the connector onto the bracket. Just like that. Take the connector and we'll plug the connector in, lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.